Welcome to Cascada 1 and 2, an exclusive development offering a blend of contemporary living and exquisite design. Experience the elegance and sophistication of our premium residences. Discover the essence of luxury and comfort with state-of-the-art amenities. Cascada 1 and 2 sets a new standard in design and construction, seamlessly merging form and function. BT Properties brings their legacy of excellence to Dubai South with the Waada development, redefining contemporary living. Embodying the spirit of Fairy Meadows, each angle and curve captures the timeless beauty of its rolling meadows and towering peaks. Nature's grandeur is reimagined in modern form, where crisp mountain air and the whispers of ancient pines combine with elegant architecture to create a tranquil retreat. Every space is designed to evoke tranquility and wonder, blending organic inspiration with contemporary craftsmanship. This vision brings the magic of Fairy Meadows to life, wrapping it in golden light and nature's whispers, creating an experience of home filled with serenity. Waada is reshaping Dubai South with a new standard of luxury. Each thoughtfully designed element blends seamlessly to elevate the living experience, setting a benchmark for luxury in the region. Just 9 kilometers from Maktoum International Airport, this blossoming community is poised for growth. From the global attractions of Dubai Marina and Palm Jumeirah to the cultural gems like the Battuta Mall and Global Village, every major site is within a comfortable reach. This urban haven seamlessly combines residential comfort with modern amenities. At the heart of this area are the Gate Towers and Retail Center, flanked by the lush Raiha villas and Rayhan townhouses. The architecture supports a lifestyle of leisure and convenience, featuring extensive pedestrian networks and green spaces that encourage an active, healthy way of life. This prestigious location is crafted for exceptional living, combining cultural richness with sophisticated architecture. The Cascada residential area is introduced here, promising a vibrant community life enriched with diverse cultural and recreational facilities. Cascada is a prestigious cluster of towers just beyond the main gate. This vibrant space offers breathtaking views of the Eiffel Tower, with a spacious inner yard featuring world-class amenities such as a captivating dancing fountain. Here, residents enjoy connections to essential services, including a mosque, hospital, school, library, and retail outlets, ensuring convenience and exceptional living. The Cascades provide 3 distinct apartment typologies to cater to diverse living preferences, ensuring that every resident finds the perfect home that aligns with their lifestyle. In addition to their prime location and stunning views, the Cascada Towers offer an unparalleled living experience with amenities designed for comfort and community engagement. The Cascades feature a one-of-a-kind facade, with a rectangular podium serving as the base. This architectural marvel begins its dynamic form from level 1 and extends to the 16th floor. Each successive floor tapers inward, creating the visual impression of a pyramid. This design not only offers a mesmerizing shadow play throughout the day, but also provides panoramic views for every resident, achieving a unique sense of openness and exclusivity. On the recreation front, the design incorporates various expansive leisure areas. The property features a 126 square meter lawn, outdoor lounges, pathways, and planting areas designed for ultimate relaxation. There are designated pool lounges by a substantial adult pool measuring 25 by 9.4 meters and a kids pool alongside it, making it an inviting environment for families. The final scene presents a synthesis of sophisticated outdoor elements, highlighting a play area and numerous amenities. These are thoughtfully designed to foster a sense of community and enjoyment, underscoring the development's commitment to providing a luxurious lifestyle. The luxurious quality of the interiors and the thoughtful design elements make each unit a sophisticated sanctuary. Attention to detail in both external and internal layouts truly reflects modern luxury living. This state-of-the-art fitness center is designed to promote wellness and healthy living for all residents, adding immense value to the community's lifestyle offerings. Explore the detailed floor plan, which showcases a spacious living and dining area, private balcony, and well-proportioned bedrooms and amenities, ensuring optimal comfort and functionality in every unit. The layout emphasizes function and comfort with dedicated spaces like a maid's room and bathroom, a broad living and dining area, and sufficient storage options. This residence offers an inviting living and dining room that connects naturally to a balcony, providing an ideal leisure spot. Upon entry, you're greeted by a welcoming foyer leading to a practical kitchen and a comfortable living and dining area, creating a great environment for everyday living. This layout showcases the varying rooms and dimensions in one of our luxurious 2-bedroom types, featuring a spacious living and dining area, a modern kitchen, and elegant walk-in closets. The master bedroom is accompanied by a graciously sized bathroom, while each room is designed to combine function and aesthetics, ensuring comfort in daily living. Highlighted here is another refined 2-bedroom configuration with ample closet space and an expansive dining area. Designed with precision, the layout balances open space and privacy, allowing for a versatile living experience that can adapt to any lifestyle. Discover a layout featuring a generous balcony, perfect for enjoying the outdoors from the comfort of your home. The interior design emphasizes natural light and seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces, creating a harmonious and refreshing atmosphere. This property offers a generously sized living and dining area, measuring 4.3 by 7.9 meters. The kitchen is compact yet functional at 2.9 by 3.4 meters, and the balcony stretches an impressive 2.1 by 19.0 meters, providing ample outdoor space. The living and dining room is designed for versatility, measuring 6.4 by 2.1 meters. The kitchen is efficiently laid out, making the most of its 2.3 by 4.3 meter space. This configuration features a living and dining space of 6.8 by 4.1 meters, complemented by a kitchen that offers a practical area of 2.3 by 4.3 meters. This scene portrays the 3-bedroom Type 1 layout with a total NSA of 143 square meters. The design includes a spacious living and dining area, alongside a well-appointed kitchen. There are also 3 bedrooms, each with a unique layout to maximize comfort and privacy. This 3-bedroom layout features a versatile living and dining room seamlessly paired with an open kitchen, enhancing the home's inclusive ambiance. A powder room adds to the practicality, making it an ideal space for family living. Highlighted in this layout is an expanded living and dining area, affording abundant space for relaxation and social gatherings. The design also includes a powder room and a strategically located kitchen for accessibility and efficiency. This configuration allows for seamless entertaining and family time. This expansive living and dining room offers a luxurious area for daily enjoyment, boasting dimensions of 4.1 by 8.3 meters, tailored for elegance and comfort. The kitchen area is thoughtfully crafted to inspire culinary pursuits, featuring a contemporary design that spans 3.1 by 2.6 meters. Its modern layout ensures a seamless cooking experience. The balcony offers a serene outdoor escape, beautifully extending your living area into the open air with stunning views, measuring an impressive 2.1 by 19.0 meters, perfect for relaxation and enjoyment. The floor plan for this section of the project offers a spacious layout with a living and dining room measuring 6.7 by 4.7 meters. The kitchen is generously sized at 2.5 by 3.9 meters, while the balcony provides additional space with dimensions of 9.4 by 2.1 meters. Features of this layout include a maid's room with dimensions of 2.1 by 2.3 meters and a master bedroom sized at 4.2 by 4.2 meters, complete with a walk-in closet measuring 1.2 by 2.9 meters. The main highlight of this floor plan is the expansive living and dining area, measuring 7.1 by 5.6 meters, alongside a balcony stretching 19.0 by 3.3 meters, perfect for outdoor relaxation. The property layout includes a living and dining room measuring 6.4 by 4.7 meters and several bedrooms and bathrooms, providing both luxury and comfort for residents. The living room area is designed to be an inviting space, combining elegance and functionality for social gatherings and relaxation. The kitchen boasts a modern design, equipped with high-quality finishes, ensuring a superb cooking experience. Experience the epitome of luxury with the stunning master bedroom and bathroom. These spaces are designed to offer tranquility and opulence, setting a new standard for comfort. For inquiries, you can reach our offices in Dubai, New York, and London. We are here to assist you with all your luxury property needs. Presenting an exquisite view of the property, the modern architectural design seamlessly integrates with the lush green surroundings, offering a glimpse of luxury and serenity. The interiors of this remarkable property showcase a blend of comfort and elegance, where every detail is crafted to enhance your lifestyle. The property is surrounded by a serene environment, creating an inviting atmosphere that makes it a perfect retreat from the bustling city life. To contact in the description of the video Insiders of Dubai, we will assist finding the best units for this project or any project in UAE.